Alright guys, Falcon 40 here. It's going to be part 2 about my Ariens 520 Hemi conversion swap. Harbor Freight Predator 212cc. Got it mounted up, okay. I ended up notching this cover here. Perfect. No issues whatsoever. Okay. Had to put these spacers in to make sure it's nice and tight for the pulley and the crank. Other than that, it's good to go. The one thing I wondered is that with the bigger engine, because it spins faster, is if the machine would move faster than normal. I got this in not running condition, but I'm comparing this to the Craftsman 520s that are single speed as well, and in the newer Snowtechs. To me, they feel the same. So I guess that's a disappointment, you know, in a sense. I thought it'd be just a little bit faster, but it is what it is. This will have more power, and this will do things that the 5 horsepower Tecumseh could never do. So let's take a brief startup and show you that this was practically almost bolt-on, but definitely doable. Definitely going out cheaper than buying a new snowblower, especially in Ariens. Probably one of the best snowblowers out there, I believe. And this is what I did. Look, I got a Honda here, a 928 that I'm selling. I have an 826 for a customer. My Ariens is over there, one of them. I have 5. This over here is a triple belted 926 that murders it. I have an 1128 that murders it. The hydrostatic transmission on a Honda does nothing for me. I believe when you're blowing snow, you're dropping gear and you're going. None of this moving, shifting, and moving speeds as you're going. Garbage, junk. So right here, all American steel. Good to go. Like I said, the bigger ones that I have, I will take up against anything we've ever had here in New York, undefeated, and I will take that anywhere. I'm also building a Hemi 420cc to put on a 28-inch Ariens. That'll be coming up down the line soon. I'm a little busy, as you guys could see. But, yeah, so let's fire this thing up. Basically, you know, unbolt the old engine, put the new engine on, notch this frame here, and configure the pulley setup. Easy peasy compared to other ones that I have done. So let's fire this up and let's see it in some action. And set speed, choke. All right. Just like factory. Yep, so part 3 will be me doing some paint work on this. I'm going to modify the impeller, order new belts for it, do some paint work on it, and then I am going to put it up for sale. Oh, I'm going to put the snow shovel on there, even though it won't need it because I'm going to modify the impeller. But awesome upgrade, awesome machine. I'm glad to repurpose this monster. All right, see you guys later. Thank you.